Yep, guys, that's gonna be my intros for like if a new video pops up. That'll be my intro, but then I'm gonna show you 4 trucks. Sorry, this is my sister's stuff. I'm gonna show you 4 trucks will show up in Sunset 12. This one. Come focus. Focus. Okay. You can't see. Oh, there you go. There you go. Gravedigger Old will be in Sunset 12. These are the 4 trucks we'll join in. There'll be more coming out. I don't know how many trucks will be in Sunset 12. We got Mega Rex, the green one, but this is the normal one. The green one was the Sunset 6 champion. Then we got Bulldozer coming in to join Sunset 12. Last truck, Megalodon, joining in Sunset 12. That's the trucks that join us for Sunset 12. Please subscribe, like, turn on notification, and if you try, follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. So, and this how you end the song.